Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1997's Chevrolet Silverado half-ton, two-wheel drive, short bed, Jeff Gordon replica, beautiful truck, 39,036 miles, automatic trans, fully loaded, runs and drives brand new, air conditioning blows cold. Got a great look to it. The stickers are removable, but the flames were painted. Got a great look to it. Tonneau cover, bed liner, ton of memorabilia go with it. Owner's manuals in the glove box. Does have tinted windows, rear slider window in it. Flowmaster muffler, new shocks. Beautiful truck throughout. Got the 5-liter in it, V8. Tires are brand new. You can see little nipples on there. Cooper Cobra radials, white letters on there. Beautiful interior. Interior shows like new. Beautiful jams. Power windows, locks, mirrors, everything working it. Factory stickers are in the jams. Nice and detailed under the hood. All stock, other than the Flowmaster on it. Newer battery. Really runs nice. Nice gaps. Super straight body. Beautiful glass in it. Let's get on the passenger side. Owner's manual, little mug there, Jeff Gordon mug. Does have a factory CD player in as well. Beautiful paint. There's a ton of memorabilia in these boxes that'll go with it. Little stand-up Jeff Gordon there, a couple boards there, description boards. A beautiful truck throughout. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Our number is 586-791-0778, showdownauto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.